Have you ever wondered what it takes to develop unshakable mental strength? Today, let's embark on a transformative journey together. We will explore powerful strategies inspired by real life stories to help you face challenges head on and emerge stronger than ever. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and join our community dedicated to self-improvement, self-care, and motivation. Today's video is all about unlocking your inner resilience and building mental fortitude. The power of perspective, a soldier's tale. Let's start with the story of James, a soldier who faced the unimaginable on the battlefield. Amidst the chaos, he realized that his survival depended on his perspective. Instead of focusing on the fear and danger, he reminded himself of his purpose and the loved ones waiting for him back home. This shift in perspective gave him the mental strength to persevere. Like James, you can reframe your challenges by focusing on your why and the positives even in tough situations. Embracing challenges, the marathon runner's journey. Meet Sarah, a marathon runner who initially struggled with self-doubt and physical limitations. Instead of seeing her obstacles as insurmountable, she embraced them as opportunities to grow. She trained harder, adjusted her mindset, and celebrated small victories along the way. Sarah's journey teaches us that challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to our ultimate goals. Embrace your challenges and view them as opportunities to build your mental resilience. Practicing self-compassion, the artist's path. Let's look at Emily, an artist who often felt overwhelmed by the pressure to be perfect. She discovered that practicing self-improvement, self-compassion was key to maintaining her mental strength. By being kinder to herself, forgiving her mistakes, and celebrating her progress, she was able to continue creating beautiful art without the burden of perfectionism. Remember, self-compassion is not about letting yourself off the hook, but supporting yourself through life's ups and downs. Building a support network, the community builder's experience. John, a community builder, knew the importance of surrounding himself with positive influences. When times get tough, his support network provided encouragement, advice, and a sense of belonging. He reciprocated by being there for others, creating a cycle of mutual support and strength. Building a strong support network can significantly enhance your mental resilience. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or mentors. Developing a growth mindset. The innovator's insight. Innovators like Lisa thrive because they view failures as opportunities to learn and grow. When her first startup failed, she didn't see it as the end, but as a lesson. She analyzed what went wrong, made improvements, and her next venture succeeded beyond her dreams. Adopting a growth mindset means believing that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's about learning from every experience and never giving up. Mindfulness and meditation, the yogi's wisdom. David, a dedicated yogi, found that mindfulness and meditation were crucial in maintaining his mental strength. By practicing mindfulness, he learned to stay present, reduce stress, and enhance his emotional well-being. Incorporating daily meditation can help you clear your mind, focus better, and manage your emotions more effectively. Setting boundaries, the entrepreneur's strategy. Samantha, an entrepreneur, realized that setting boundaries was essential to protect her mental health. She learned to say no to things that drained her energy and focused on what truly mattered. Setting boundaries allows you to prioritize your well-being and maintain your mental strength by not overextending yourself. Remember, building mental strength is a journey, not a destination. Like James, Sarah, Emily, John, Lisa, David, and Samantha, you too can develop unshakable resilience by changing your perspective, embracing challenges, practicing self-compassion, building a support network, adopting a growth mindset, practicing mindfulness, and setting boundaries. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your mental strength soar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a boost of motivation. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on self-improvement, self-care, and motivation. Let's grow stronger together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.